Hey everybody, we are back here in Celaya and we are here for the Festival de Tradition for the Festival of Tradition and Sabor, which is tradition and taste. And here they have in the centro so many booths with food, things to sell, and our friend over there from the last video from making cajeta. So my friend Natha is gonna come and join us soon, and we're just gonna go around and eat as much as we can today. So we found the table for El Caballo Sin Rival, and if you remember from the last Celaya video, this is where we made the cajeta and the toys. So it's our friend here, and he's selling everything here at the fair. So the fair here, they have the music on one end, and then a lot of vendors coming around here, all kinds of crafts and products, and then on that side is the food. So we're going to check out the food next. So this is like a traditional gordita made with this color corn, and the cheese, the pepper. Yeah, let's give this a try. Oh, it's sweet. So this booth here, it's very traditional food. This is a mole rojo with spaghetti. It's a spaghetti taco. First time I ever tried this. This is made with the 3 different types of chilies, green chilies, peanuts, and a whole lot of other products. Another mole taco. Let's give this a try.
Es mole tradicional de Celaya.
Wow. Traditional mole of Celaya. All right, here we have a pastor taco, and this is different than on the trompo. Let's give this a try. Totally different flavor. Here I have a little cheese enchilada, and the way they prepare it, they dip the tortilla in sauce and then they fry it. Put some cheese in there, and then lettuce, cheese, and some potatoes on top. Enchilada. More flavor, just because they fry it with that sauce and that oil. That oil's got lots of flavor in it, and they put a lot of oil. So we've been trying a few places. Flavors are all different. They have similar menu items, but prepared a little differently, different sauce. Yeah, everything's been very good so far, and things I haven't tried anywhere else in Mexico. So, oh, very good. She's cooking her own. She can't wait. So this lady here, while we were looking at everything, she got one. She ate it in like 10 seconds, and then she started grilling her own. She couldn't wait while the lady was helping us. ¿Por qué le gusta tanto las gorditas?
Yo soy de aquí, de México, pero soy de aquí, de Celaya. Aquí en Celaya se hacen mucho las gorditas, son diferentes. Todo lo que venden aquí está riquísimo.
All right, I got my traditional Celaya gordita, and this one has barbacoa. It's got some potatoes, carrots, cheese, cream, salsa, and the masa is different than gorditas in Mexico City. And it's served on this leaf. Oh, and there's lettuce too. So usually these are 30 pesos, but the lady gave this to me free to try. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, it's so hard to bite. So many flavors, so many textures. You know, the masa is very rough, like very coarse. The barbacoa, the potatoes. The salsa is a little spicy. That's good. The lady before us ordered one, went back, ate it, came back while we were ordering for another one. 10-15 seconds. She just inhaled that thing. So this is a plate of green mole with pork, spaghetti noodles, and rice. And usually they don't have the noodles with the mole. And sometimes they use chicken, but here in Celaya they use pork. The lady here was nice enough to let me try this. Okay, pork, spaghetti, noodles. All right, here we go. Yeah, the green mole is good. Pork is nice, tender. It's interesting to eat it with noodles. You kind of get two starches. Good flavor on this pork. We got a chaya agua and a chorizo and potato taco, and this is the tortilla ceremonial, and it's special. The purple they just use for special occasions. Oh, we got the taco here. Got all that chorizo and potato. All right, let's give this a try. A lot of flavor. It's like shocking amount of flavor. That's really good. So they're making the tortillas fresh right here. They grill it, they imprint it with the purple dye, put it back on the grill, throw the meat in. Very good. And here's my friend Natha.
Hi.
He's single. He's single, ladies.
Porque esta es la mejor feria para comer.
All the food is really, really good. And all the ladies that come here or close here, they enjoy preparing food. All the food is traditional also too. The taste is the best taste ever.
Yeah, come. Celaya just keeps on surprising me.
Mira, a mí me gusta mucho el pozole verde.
¿Pozole verde?
Sí,
¿De aquí?
enchiladas, sí, de aquí de la señora. Ella vende pozole.
Senora Doña Dora gave us a nice explanation of the food, so we're gonna give it a try now. And this is pozole verde and mole rojo with pollo or chicken, and some noodles, rice, and then this is the pastor taco we tried before. Let's just get a little piece here. Oh, a lot of flavor. Not spicy, but that's good. Wow. Okay, so we're at the Celaya Tourism table, so we get to sit with the queen and her princesses. This is the pollo mole rojo. This is like a traditional plate, so we're getting noodles and rice, and they don't usually give you rice as well. So I mean, they don't usually give you noodles as well. So yeah, it's special to this region. After all the dancing and eating, the dancers are coming here and they're going to do a photo shoot, an official photo shoot for the tourism board. So we got invited thanks to Natha. We're just a few blocks from Centro where we were, and I think this is the museum right in there. Pretty sure I went in there before, years ago. Okay, after we went to take pictures of the dancers, we came back to the festival, just hanging out for a while, and now I'm hungry again, so I'm getting the fresa con crema, and this is the different way they prepare it than normal in Mexico City. It just comes in a cup like this, and with cream, chocolate, and the frozen strawberries on the bottom. So let's try. Yeah, so there's the frozen strawberries, a lot of chocolate sprinkles, Hershey's chocolate. I think this one's a little more chocolatey than the other one, but it's got the, look at that, frozen strawberries on the bottom with the syrup. So mixing it all up. Yeah,
It's not that frozen, right?
very good. All right, that is it for Celaya. We ate so much, had so much good food. Yeah, thanks again to Natha for everything. Having lunch with the court, the queen and princess, and the photo shoot with the dancers. Really cool stuff. So yeah, always have fun here in Celaya. So do come check out this city sometime. There's so much going on here, especially with this festival. Yeah, just the food was amazing. So thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check out my TikTok for daily food videos.